Welcome my online viewers. Let's look at how we solve this logarithm equation. Now let us recall that a log of n plus a log of n all in the same base. Now this will give us log in the same base with the variables in their product. That is m times n. Now if you use this law to solve this, now here we have log raised to the power of a times log a all in base 2 equals what? 5. And let us also recall in the law of indices that when you have x raised to the power of a times x raised to the power of b, now you have x raised to the power of a plus b, as long as they're having the same base. Now you add their powers. Now in the same vein, here we have log to the power of a raised to the power of 5, because here this a is having 1, and when you add them you have 5, then all equals to what? 5. Now what we need to do here now is to reconcile both the right hand side, the left hand side, and the right hand side with log 2. And by so doing, you can multiply this by 1, and we know that in log, when you have log a base a, it gives you what? 1. Alright, and since we're having a log of base 2 here at the left hand side, now we can have it as log a raised to the power of 5 or to the base of 2 equals 5 log base 2, log 2 base 2. Alright, in the same vein here, now take note, also know that when you have n log base a, now this will give you log a raised to the power of n, which means you have to raise a to the power of n. Now if I were to use that same term here, we have log a raised to the power of 5 base 2 equals log 2 raised to the power of 5 base 2. Now we can now eliminate the log base 2. At the end of the day, here we have a raised to the power of 5 equals 2 raised to the power of 5. Now since we have the same power on the left and the right hand side, so we can conclude that a equals to 2. Alright, if you love what I've just done, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos. Thank you and remain blessed.